This is Jesus Manuel Menegarza. I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic wherever you're at. I'm going to be headed to the Gulf of Mexico, to cities like Corpus Christi, or as us Latinos say, Corpus, Port Aransas, Fulton, Rockport, Port O'Connor, you know, all those cities. Pins, Padre Island National Seashore. I'm going to be going down there, doing some fishing, hanging out, being a tourist. My wife and I are going to stay at a couple hotels. So this is the camera I'm taking. I'm taking my Sony A6000, very nice 24.3 megapixel, you know, camera. Not full frame. So it's okay. Crop sensor camera, very nice camera. This is the A6000. I got it at the pawn shop for about, I think about a little over $200. Looked a little dusty, dirty, so I had I charged up the battery at the pawn shop, and then I took some pictures, brought the SD card home, and looked okay. So when I brought it home, I cleaned it up, of course, cleaned the lens. It looked a little smudgy, you know, and cleaned everything up. And then I also cleaned the sensor, got some swabs and cleaned the sensor. Specific swabs to cleaning an APS-C sensor, and it looks absolutely, the photographs from this camera are very, very good. Again, it's 24.3 megapixels, and it has a crop sensor. Very nice, very nice. Even has, don't hate me, all you folks out there that own the Lumix S9, this has a viewfinder. How'd they get that in there? This has a viewfinder, along with the, you know, the display here, has a viewfinder. Wow! Wow! How'd they do that? Let me show you the camera. Again, this is the front view. Let me show you the camera. This is the front view. I did buy the lens cap, and I bought the lens hood later. And here's a view of the back. Very nice. A lot of functionality. Very, very nice. Let me show you the top. And let me show you the bottom. There we are, the bottom. Again, this is a little zoom rocker. This has a little bit of a zoom. You can adjust the zoom. And look at the size of this. There's a lot of folks out there selling, you know, cameras that are supposed to be compact. This is actually compact. This is very compact. I bought a strap for it. Again, this under 10 bucks, under 10 bucks, under 10 bucks. I got a lens cap, hood, and strap, and of course the cleaning stuff, each under 10 bucks, and I got this thing operating very nicely. It has a little pop-up flash, hot shoe, Lumix S9. That doesn't have a hot shoe. It doesn't have a viewfinder. Wow. The things they sell, people. The big limitation of this camera, the number one big limitation, it does not shoot 4K, it does not shoot 422, does not shoot any reasonable quality video. It's basically for taking snapshots and photographs. And in Photoshop, let's say, for example, you get a nice little photograph that you like, you can, with current AI, you know, technology, you can boost the quality of the photograph from being small to bigger and gigantic. Very nice, very nice. This is a lot of fun in Photoshop, you know, boosting the size of this, the images on this one, making them a little bit bigger. And of course, if you have any skills as a photographer, know about composition. Hey, do you know about composition? Do you know about the rule of thirds? Do you know about the rule of thirds? Do you know about color science? Do you know a little tiny bit about color science? You know how to not photograph the back of people all the time because you're so shy. I'm only going to shoot the back of them. I don't want to shoot the front. Just, you know, if you're going to shoot family, shoot them from the front. Say, hey, smile. Hey, smile. And do that, you know, actually direct people. Direct people. Direct them. Tell them what you want. You know, they're all like this. Okay, smile. You have options. This is my little camera. It's a little compact camera. It's actually a compact camera with a hot shoe, the viewfinder, display, Choose 24.3 megapixels, and look at that, it just zoomed out. Let me turn it off. There it goes. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to ring the bell for future notifications. And in this corner here, you can scan that QR code and go to my website, jmmgarza.com. I've been taking pictures since 1963. That's been a while, huh? It's been a couple years. Just a few. Just a few years. Again, I own my own photo studio in Silicon Valley, blah, 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 blah. Hope you're doing fantastic. In the description, I'll have links to other cameras, other photo supplies, other things that you may find interesting. Just go in there, other videos, and of course, I'm an Amazon affiliate, and I'm making the big bucks. I think I made $2 last month. Fantastic. Watch out, Jeff Bezos. Watch out, Mark Zuckerberg. Watch out, Elon Musk. All you folks, I'm catching up. Thanks for watching my video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below. And again, ring the bell for future notifications. I greatly, greatly appreciate you checking out this video on my new 24.3 megapixel. Wow! Sony A6000 incorporates a flash, a hot shoe, and again, a viewfinder. How'd they do that? They have actually a viewfinder. And look at this. And again, I got it for around a little over 200 bucks at the pawn shop. Of course, I know about cameras. Since the 60s, I've been checking out cameras, so I knew what to look for. I charged the battery, looked at it, took some pictures, took them back home, looked in Photoshop and checked them out and go, yeah, this looks pretty good. Looks, everything seems to be functional. I opened up the lens, took off the lens, did things like that, and go, hey, it's not scratched. I don't see any animals growing in the between the elements. Hey, nothing's in there. I shook it. Hey, everything's copacetic. You look at the lenses, you look at the mechanics, you look at the overall finish, and you go, seems to be pretty good. And then you decide and you say, hey, can I bring it? And you pay the $1.50. They have like a return policy at this pawn shop. You pay the $1.50, and if it doesn't work for you for a few days, you can return it. So very nice. Again, this is tiny. Look at next to my big fat head. Very nice. Very nice. This will fit in my pocket. This will fit in my wife's purse. It'll fit in your pocket, your little backpack, your little pouch, your purse. I'm quite sure it will. Okay? Thanks for watching my video. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza in my backyard in Fort Worth, Texas, talking about my little budget $200 little Sony A6000. Again, I did some research on the lens. People said it was a little soft at some of the wider apertures, so I only have it set at f8 all the time. So that is super sharp. At f8, it's super, 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 super sharp. And I have it set at everything else on automatic, and I take some snapshots, and I go out there and I go, oh, that's very nice. And I even shoot some, and it'll come out. I have the RAW and the JPEGs, and I go, okay, f8, everything should come out really sharp. f5.6, it's good. 4.5, it's okay, etc., etc. But f8, wow. Wow! Thanks for watching my video. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.